FiberMall box can read and write the internal memory EEPROM of the optics and display the details. Supports SFP, XFP, QSFP, and other transceivers and DC or AOC cables. Use the USB cable to connect the computer and the EEPROM programmer box. The green light indicates successful connection. Open the Programming Box V2 folder. Then open the Programming Box V2 software. Module inserted into EEPROM programmer box. Then green light indicates successful connection between the module and the EEPROM programmer box. Click on Scan and Connecting to connect to the EEPROM programmer box. Select QSFP coding system. Step 1, read code. Click on Refresh to read through the area. Step 2, save code. Click Export bin file to save the code file. Step 3, write code. Tick according to whether the module has a password. If the module has a password, select the corresponding password list. Click Import bin file to select the code file. Click One Shot to coding. Success indicates successful coding. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comments section or contact our customer service team. Thank you for watching.